Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Jesse here. Keith is on vacation and we got a whole bunch of cool stuff for my TRX4M. Let's check it out. Alright, so what spawned this build is I got my TRX4M here. It's a Bronco. Everyone has a Bronco. So I saw that Injora released a what does it say? A Cherokee body. So Keith and I were like Cherokees, so figure I'd try this out. Looks pretty cool. And also Injora released this. It's the brushless purple Viper motor, I think. And yeah, so it looks pretty cool. So might as well upgrade. Got a new Tier 4 waterproof servo. We like to use these, so we'll give this a shot. I have a SR215 just in case I can't use the existing stuff inside the TRX4M. I probably won't be able to, so I got this just in case. A set of wheels from TRAXXAS. We got the Method race wheels, the satin black, 2 pairs, and I'm very undecisive on tires. So I have Mickey Thompson Baja Pro X's. I love these tires, but I also like these Pitbull PBX tires. So which one I'll use, I don't know. We'll have to see how they look on the Jeep. Alright, so first off, let's check out what's in the Cherokee body. I'm interested to see how it looks. Apparently it clips right into the body, or the just got the clipless system, just like the TRAXXAS does. Pretty straightforward instructions. But I don't think I will be able to use the existing bumpers, so we'll see. We got some light buckets, front grille, looks really nice. Door handles, screws and lights. Light lenses, that's pretty cool. Okay. Oh, it does come with bumpers, so that's good. Ooh, and a bush bar. Well, that's sick. Oh, there's clips. Alright, oh, this is gonna be some old school 90s dual blade wipers. I don't know, probably more for the clipless system. We got the windows. I went with the like silverish body. Looks pretty nice. It's even got a black roof. Man, wow, it's gonna look really good. That's gonna look pretty dope on there. Alright, that's it for the body. And now, this is what I really want to check out. Saw Injora was releasing a brushless system. I don't have anything yet for any of my rigs. I know Keith has the Furry Tech, and the Furry Tech is really good. But this is a, you know, it's a budget thing. I think it's only about $80 Canadian, so that's not too bad. And if it's really good, then we'll get a bunch. That's pretty nice. Look at that thing, super tiny. Okay, so cool looking. Purple Viper by Injora. That's cool. ESC. Power button there. I'm thinking this is like a little programmer in there. And that looks like a motor mount for TRX4M. You got your mounting hardware and a pinion there. And then you got a bunch of these connectors, so it looks like you can use all different types of battery connections. There's your TRAXXAS one. IC3, that looks like it would be for your SCX24 and Nadine's, so that's cool. So seeing as how we're using it for TRAXXAS, put all those back. Here's your TRAXXAS. Super long, so placing this, you know, won't be too hard. That power button's rather large, but not too bad. Little motor there, and that is going to be cool. That's going to fit fine. I think this is smaller than the can that's in there right now. So anyways, I am going to mess about with all this stuff, and yeah, let's get to it. All right, so a little bit of a build update. I've completed the Cherokee body, and it looks really good. Spare tire. The fit and finish is pretty tight. Like the clipless system, taking it off is okay. Comes off real nice. But putting it on is a different story. It's got these like little alignment tabs on either side, which sit down in there, but it's not like a nice push to get it on. So what I've been doing is just squeezing it as it comes down to clip it in. The back, same thing. And the back fits nicely in the bumper here with the lights and stuff. I didn't paint the insides or anything just yet, but I'll do that later. But I was able to get the LEDs and the headlights, so we'll see how that lights up when she's all good. I took the, you can see the ESC out, so I will be replacing the electronics. Obviously, I got the SR 215 and the new servo. and this brushless system. So, and as you can see, I went with the TRAXXAS method beadlocks and the Baja Pro XS's. The pit bull's a little too small and tiny for the look I was going for. These wheels fill up the wheel well quite nicely, so I like the look of that. I did add the stock wheel to the back there, so it's on there nice and secure. So I will finish with the electronics and we'll get to crawling. Alright guys, there's all the electronics installed. Kind of jumble a mess here with the wiring, but that's okay for me for right now. Does what it needs to do. As you can see, the motor, the brushless motor, is substantially smaller than the TRAXXAS 180 can on there, but I got her hooked up to the old DX5 Rugged, and she works really good. She's super quiet. I haven't tested any torque or anything on it crawling, but she goes slow. She goes super slow. Got that TR4 in there. It's working nice. Look at that thing, just that's awesome. It takes a little while to connect once you turn it on. It's like 10 to 20 seconds almost to have the ESC connect, but all in all, I can't complain with that for now. She's moving real good. Crawl some boxes here. Pushing everything off my desk here. But yeah, very impressed. Let's get the body on and hit up some rocks. Oh, and just before we head out, this is what it looks like with the lights on. Super nice, super cool. Really digging this truck.